I got these super cute Mexican tequila shot glasses. There's a set of 6. They're a little bit different in color. Super cute though. So I'm getting ready to list these. So I need to be able to determine my weight and my measurements for the listing. But I'm going to go ahead and pack these up into a box so that they are nice and safe on my storage shelves and nothing gets broken. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare them the same way that I would if I was getting ready to ship them out. So I'm just going to start with bubble wrap on the inside of each one. I want to be sure that these are really well protected and that they don't break. So I am going to I'm just going to tear this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap them in brown paper. It doesn't matter how this paper tears, you guys. It really doesn't matter. Once I wrap them in the brown paper, then I'm going to take a piece of bubble wrap and I'm going to wrap them like this. Then I'm going to tape that. Oops. Okay, so I had a box prepared that I thought was going to be big enough, and it would be. I could put 2 layers, okay, but this is too tight, and I want to be sure that I have enough space in my box that I can put lots of padding all the way around all sides of these things too. So this was an 8x6x4, but that is not going to work. So I'm going to have to get a bigger box. The mountain of boxes, y'all. This is one of my recycled boxes. So I gotta peel the label off of there. But I think this one is gonna work. So I'm gonna just start with an extra layer of packing paper in the bottom.
El tiempo acorta mis pasos, para que quiero más vida.
Okay, so this ended up being a 9x6x6, and it's 1.3.1 pounds. I'm going to round that up to 1.4, and that's what we're going to go with on the listing.